There we go. Hi friends! We are watching my review. Click on the subscribe button. Follow in the location. Give me a huge thumbs up. Alright guys, this is my birds. You know see my birds? They're actually good. But they're loud birds. Let's get a camera. So this is my birds. You've seen my birds. Here's my birds. Stupid. Just kidding, guys. So you've not seen my me. This is my where's my parrot? Look at my birds. They are cute and adorable. I love those. So we're gonna say those names. You now don't know their names, so let's see. So the blue color nose, like peach or like strawberry, like berries. I don't know. And like so, and the blue color nose is Bumpy, like good Bumpy. And the wooden color nose is so gentle. So her name is Sparkle, so he's so gentle. I love it. So he's so scared. So, you see more birds? No more birds. Just kidding, guys. I don't know what is this box for. Your can open, but I think it's for my ponds. Like pawn in and set the pond like this, and we open it, just go inside. But we haven't got a pond. Forever. Just kidding, I'm scared. What's my family? Just kidding, guys. Me change ka? These are my birds. So, thanks for watching. You know their names? Okay. The blue color nose is Bumpy. It's a bump, 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 bump. It's Bumpy, bump. So bye. Thanks for watching my video. And if you not give huge thumbs up, you never get chocolate. So you down thumbs up, no chocolate. You got up thumbs up, you got some chocolates. Yeah. So give me a huge thumbs up. So bye. Thanks for watching my video with my birds. With my birds.